Ever wondered how to perform exponentiation operations in JavaScript in a more concise and straightforward way? Today, the spotlight is on the exponentiation operator, a recent addition to JavaScript introduced in ECMAScript 2016, also known as ES7. This operator provides a more streamlined way to perform exponentiation operations, making it a handy tool for mathematical computations. First, to understand how this operator functions, it's important to grasp its basic syntax. The exponentiation operator is represented by two asterisks, or stars, if you will. It raises the left operand to the power of the right operand. Here's a simple example. If you have a base number, say 4, and want to raise it to the power of 3, you'd write it as 4 asterisk asterisk 3 in JavaScript. Think of the exponentiation operator as a shortcut. Traditionally, you might have used math.pow, or even a series of multiplication operators to achieve the same result. However, the exponentiation operator offers a more concise syntax, improving code readability. For instance, let's consider the following code snippet. Const result =2 asterisk asterisk 3. This is equivalent to 2 raised to the power of 3, or 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. The output would be 8. As you can see, the code is quite straightforward and easy to understand, even for those who might not be familiar with JavaScript. The advantages of the exponentiation operator are numerous. Apart from its concise syntax, it also enhances code readability. When you see the two asterisk symbols, it's clear that an exponentiation operation is taking place. This operator also simplifies your code, especially in mathematical contexts, by reducing the need for additional function calls or manual calculations. However, it's important to note that this operator isn't without its disadvantages. Older browsers and environments may not support the exponentiation operator. This means you might need to use transpilation or polyfills to ensure compatibility. Additionally, there's a learning curve involved for developers who are unfamiliar with the new operator, particularly for those coming from languages that don't have a similar operator. In conclusion, the exponentiation operator in JavaScript offers a concise and clear syntax for performing exponentiation operations. It improves code readability and simplifies mathematical computations. While it does come with its own set of challenges, such as compatibility issues and a potential learning curve, the benefits it brings to the table make it a valuable addition to the JavaScript language. So the next time you're dealing with exponentiation operations, consider using the exponentiation operator for a more efficient and readable code.